Hey guys, we are back again with another DSi XL. Now this one, have a look in there. That charging port is busted up real bad. So hopefully that's all that's wrong with it. Cost me 50 bucks I think on eBay. So we'll get this cracked open, get that charging port replaced, and see if that's the only thing wrong with it. So just taking all those screws out. Pop the cover off. Uh-oh. Making sure that we don't rip it off. So remember there's ribbon cables under there. Alright. Initial thoughts. Not bad. Not bad at all. Really looks clean. Apart from that charging port, of course. I'd get that board disassembled and out, and then we'll have a look a bit closer. So those screws are all undone. Let's get this out. Well, undoing the top screen still. Oh, snagged. Get off. Put that to the side. So, whoa. The pins are falling out of it. Both of them fell out. Anyway, that's not an issue. I will get that one removed and we'll get a new one on. I've got my new one here already. It's not new. I've pulled it off a donor board. It'll do the trick. Let's get this one off and we'll go from there. So I'm just taking that old one off. There it is there. You can see that. It's the old one gone. I heated it up from below and pushed it out. So where are we? There we are. So I'll get this old solder off and put it on. Again, I didn't video me taking it off. I don't have a board holder, so when I'm trying to heat things up from below, I kind of need both hands. So let's get the iron going. The good old goot wick. That. I'll get rid of the old solder. Get the rest out of the hole so that the new port fits in nicely. And look at that. Perfect. It's the new port. Oh. There's still some solder on the port, which is why it's not going in smoothly. So I'll wick that off as well. Where did I put it? I just had it. That's hot, but that was expected. One side. Alright, that looks better. And will we fit? Yes! Look at that. Alright. Flux. Little flux. All on there. Where there. Solder. Bam. I feel like if it sits flat down, it pushes up on the port a little bit. That one's soldered in. That one's soldered on. Bit more on that leg. Flip it over. Do the feet. Some flux on the feet. That looks schmick. I think. All right. Get this reassembled. Oops. And we'll see if it charges, shall we? Right. That's back together, screwed in, enough for us to test. So the moment of truth, hold that there, charging cable, come on. Oh, it's charging. It didn't seem to go in very easily, that cable though. Anyway, see if there's enough juice in it to turn it on. Not yet, so I'm going to let this charge for a few minutes and then we'll see what it's like. Alright, that's been charging up for a few minutes now. Let's give it a test, see if it works. That screen works. Okay, I'm going. I've got no sound. Sound works. I will go over and thoroughly test all the buttons and everything in this, but for now it's looking good. I'm happy with that. It's working. It charges, and I'll let it charge up overnight. And if you like what you see, remember to like and subscribe for more.